Spent too much time out here on my grind. You gotta do what you gotta do. Try and survive, I gotta find my way out.
Way out.
Gotta find my way out. Been here all of my life, can barely provide. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Do what you gotta do.
Gotta find my way out.
Way out.
I gotta find my way out.
I guess I'm gonna myself on this one because this nigga don't wanna get on. But I gotta find my way out. And females want me to actually change now. But way down. Back in the past, how can I react towards the fact that I am the man to do the things that I am supposed to do to provide? But I just realized that I am the only guy in the family in the situations that graduated. But now I sit here and realize that I wish I never made it. No, because it's too much pressure. Too much at all. And I just sit here and I wanna fall and bawl out my eyes and tears and just ball them out. But I don't know, I need somebody to call them out. But I ain't got nobody that ain't even down beside this nigga right here next to me now.
Do what you gotta do. Try and survive, I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out. Been here all of my life, you can barely provide. You gotta do what you gotta do. Start living my life. Gotta find my way out. Gotta find my way out.
Freestyle in the middle of the earth. I gotta find my way out, climb my way through the dirt. But I don't even think that it's even for me to worth. I think it's perfect for me to even hurt. These feelings that I think I get, but I don't know what it is or how I'm supposed to spit. So I just get it and spit it like freestyle minds. And I just sit here and think about life all the time. Like, why do we die, or why is it all by time? Cause it's a sacrifice. If you read it by the Egyptians, go to Paris, all the cemeteries under the ground, they barely recommended or suggested for the people, but they call it catacombs. And Apodaca, I need to get it home, back home's where I need to be, cause that's gone. I'm blown.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Try and survive, I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out.
I gotta find it. You ain't been through the things I've been through.
Gotta find my way out.
And if you did been through the things that I've been through, well, honestly, like a shout out to you. Cause if you've been in a bandless house, taking a bath in a fucking bathtub, no, that's tough. In an ice tub, boiling water to make sure that I can get enough, but that's fucked up. Had to go to work and still make up for the time that I couldn't get, so I had to buy some money so I could pay the rent. But honestly, it wasn't enough to get. Now we're sitting here getting evicted. Oh, it's sad. Honestly, it's bad. I wish I can honestly be the man I never had been. Where is my dad? Where is he? I don't know, but he gone. So let me throw it like a frisbee. Eventually. Eventually. Gotta do. Selling drugs. Beat a nigga up. Wish I who wasn't what I was. I wish who I wasn't was.